Hello all, welcome to NKR Academy. I am Cyan, and in this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to install WordPress on SiteGround. To briefly introduce myself, we run a digital marketing agency where we provide web design services to clients across the globe. We use SiteGround as preferred web hosting service for all our clients for its reliability, availability, backup services, and amazing customer support. I will be showing you how to install WordPress using SiteGround CPanel Application. However, you can use this on any web hosting as the CPanel application is similar in all popular web hosts. We do strongly recommend SiteGround as SiteGround is WordPress preferred web hosting partner.
Okay, now I will show you how to get a plan for you. Okay, so let us suppose that you are trying to buy out any plan. Basically, you have to follow this step. Click on the plan you have selected to buy. I will recommend if you are new to WordPress, if you are new to hosting, you can sign up for the startup plan. As you are, I expect that you are going to first launch your single website, so it's good enough for one website. So you can hit a get plan button. Once you hit a get plan button, you can get to choose new hosting account. For that, you can register a new domain if you don't have one via this, or if you already have a domain, you can select that as well and just give the domain name here. Okay, so that will depend on you. So then again, you can see the plans that you are having. SiteGround has for you. You can choose any one depending on the number of websites you are trying to build or the number of customers you are expecting to visit your store, online store, that is, right? So once you have decided, see, the startup is already checked since I had checked it from the first plan. If you still want here to get upgrade, then you can select Go Big or Go Geek. Okay, then you can select the plan is already selected as startup. Now if your visitors you expect are more from United Kingdom, then you can select the location as United Kingdom, USA, Europe, or Singapore. Since mine is based on India and most of my people will be visiting from India and Asia, so I will choose a server near to Asia so that the SEO time and the web page load time is kept at minimum. Okay, so make sure that you are selecting this rightly. Suppose you have a lot of USA traffic for your site, then make sure that you choose USA. Okay, so I have selected that Singapore, and now I can select time period. Now you can see here that if I go for 36 months, I am ensuring that I will get at $3.95 per month for entire 36 months. Okay, once you have done that, you can come in here and you can see that the card details are saved here. Now you can enter a new credit card and you can enter the details of this credit card here, and once you have done that, you need to check on this confirm and hit the pay now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to a screen where you will get the payment confirmation and your login details. Okay, so this is this simple, guys. It's just like the forms that you have been filling out so far, and there's been nothing like anything means very tough thing here. It's all plain and simple. And once you get that, once you have done that, now you have basically received the user ID and the password for your hosting services. Now let us dive deep into that. Now this is my admin dashboard within SiteGround. Okay, so here I will show you how to install a WordPress on a new domain. So for me, see, the external domain I already have. So what I will do is I will create a new subdomain. I will name it as say SiteGround Tutorial. Okay, so you can see this is on the parent domain, that is sitegroundtutorial.nkracademy.com. Okay, create. Okay, and you can see that this has been created. Okay, now you hit the go back and the control panel home. Now basically what I will do is from these auto installers I will click on WordPress. Okay, you can see that it is being loading. Okay, so I want to install WordPress. Now here are my current installations. Okay, so I want a new installation, so install now. Where I want to install, this is the important thing. See, here it is my original parent domain, so herein I already have that. Now let me find out the new one that I have just created right now, sitegroundtutorial.nkracademy.com, right? Okay, and the protocol will be HTTP as of now, because I have not installed a SSL certificate as of now. Okay, so here you can give it as SiteGround Tutorial, and here you can write welcome to my tutorial application. Okay, so this is the basically the site info that you are managing here. Okay, here you can use this user ID and password that has been given already here. So I will just use the notepad. Copy this user ID and password that has been suggested to me. Okay, and here is the mail at which it will come if anything, any notifications are there, like anyone new signs up or anything like that happens. Whatever notification you will have this on this email account. So make sure that this email account is accessible to you. Okay, and once these are set, you can just click on the install button, and you can see that SiteGround is installing the WordPress on your new site. Okay, as you can see, it has been already done. So now I will just visit that site, whatever I had created, SiteGround tutorial.nkracademy.com/wp-admin. Okay, first just let this be loaded, and you can see here that this is the tutorial I had given, SiteGround tutorial, and welcome to my tutorial site. As of now, you can see this is a blog site which is completely blank because I have just installed WordPress and nothing more. Okay, so for configuring this, I need to log in. So I will type in /wp-admin, and herein I will just have this user ID and this password, and hit on the login, and yep, there you can see. So click the exit and you will be headed towards the dashboard. So if you are familiar with WordPress, you can easily know that you have done the hard part, that is configuring your site. Now you have come into WordPress dashboard. Now couple of clicks and a few themes installations, few plugins installations, and you could own a very beautiful site of yourself, right?
So, I just hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to get similar tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will also be giving you free bonuses worth $750 if you do decide to purchase SiteGround Web Hosting using the link provided in the description of this video. As a bonus for picking up SiteGround through the link provided in the description of the video, I will give you bonus number 1, access to Astra Pro WordPress theme. This is world's #1 professional WordPress theme and you will get free access to Astra Pro as a bonus. Bonus number 2, access to Elementor Pro WordPress Page Builder plugin. This is world's #1 professional WordPress Page Builder plugin and you will get free access to Elementor Pro as a bonus. Bonus number 3, access to Viddictive 2.0, which is a cloud-based SaaS app that helps you to create amazing video ads in any business niche like restaurants, lawyers, car dealers, any business you can imagine under the sun. Bonus number 4, access to VidElligence 2.0, which is a cloud-based SaaS app that helps you to create amazing videos for e-commerce. Bonus number 5, access to Storie 2.0, which is a cloud-based SaaS app that helps you to create amazing Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat story video. In order to get all these bonuses, just follow these simple steps. Step 1, get SiteGround using the link provided in the description of this video. Step 2, send your purchase receipt to NKRACADEMYWB@gmail.com. In case of any query, please comment below in the video.